Welcome back to Hubbart Wood. This is the full episode of this beautiful white oak eagle we did in Bloomingdale, Illinois for previous mayor Bob and Joe Ellen Iden. And this is a backyard you're not going to want to miss. So make sure you stay tuned in this entire video. You're going to see some really cool stuff and even how this bird flies. Literally takes flight. It goes back up in the air. Anyway, this is a full time lapse, full progress, and even our little trip to Chicago. Okay, I'll give you a hint. Kramer Tree Service did an excellent job taking the tree down and then flying this back in on the crane. But stay tuned to the end to see how us country bumpkins made it all the way to the big city of Chicago, went downtown in a 4-door, 8-foot-long bed, literally got stuck in a carport or a car park, whatever they're called. Anyway, just check it out. Parking garage. That's what the heck they're called. Parking garage. Sorry, we don't have very many of those out here in the cornfields in Montgomery County, Hillsborough, Illinois, let alone buildings like this. So you city folks that are watching this that are from Chicago and Bloomingdale, up that area, yeah, we're fascinated. We're fascinated with all these big buildings and that you can actually drive under this building and these big buildings downtown Chicago. It's cool to come visit. I'll say that, to come visit. It was really cool to see people out and about again, like literally just walking the sidewalks and occupying the streets and downtown and seeing, people just living again. So that was cool.
I see ocean.
No idea why she said that. She's literally seen the West Coast and the East Coast Ocean. Struggles of driving an 8-foot bed crew cab truck in Chicago. They did not make this city for big trucks. We just tried to park in this parking garage over here and almost ripped off the marker lights. What do you think about ripping off the marker lights? Is that cool or what?
No.
Yo, they're freaky fast though. Why do you hate large cities, dude? What'd they do to you? Are we gonna push the button? So we went through all of this to come here to this place, Ed Debevics, where they're rude to you when you get your food and stuff. It's gonna be fun.
Ed Debevics. I went to Ed's and all I got was a big wiener.
They're going to make their way to that long dance counter for the final time this evening, and they are going to shake a tail feather for you. But in order for them to do that, they're going to need some encouragement. So on the count of 3, I need everybody to put down the cheese fries, put down your chicken tenders, and clap and scream as loud as you possibly can. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Yeah!
Do you see this goddess on the stage right now, gracing her presence, gracing you all with her presence? So we're gonna need a little bit more encouragement than that. So again, on the count of 3, I need everybody to clap and scream as loud as you possibly can. 1, 2, 3, go!
Wow, competition.
My request is Here they are, folks. You love them and they hate you. They are the Ed Debevics Stainless Steel Dancers.
Good job.
They're the world's smallest sundaes.
Yeah. I'm queen. How'd it go? Why are you videoing me? Dad just farted.
So you can run this thing year round, without a doubt. And I do, I run it year round. That gives you kind of an idea of what this thing looks like. It's kind of unique. A lot of people don't really understand garden railroads. So what's garden? Well, it's G-gauge, and that's because that's how the trains run. I thought I would basically run it this morning a little bit just to show the kids.
I would love nothing more than to sit here and talk to Bob all day. What an amazing man. But that tree right there is where this big log came off of, and it's waiting for me over here to get to work.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
Cut. I know somebody's going to say something about the child labor photos where you seen I was making my son pick up some of the scraps around our project. So I had to show you this. They actually had a tennis court at this house that we were working at, and they got to learn how to play tennis. Not only that, but we've been so blessed to be able to take these guys coast to coast with us. They've gotten to see the Mount Rushmore, Estes Park, Colorado, Yellowstone National Park, Las Vegas. I mean, these guys have got to see and do some really cool stuff.
So you ready to get beat down?
And of course, I get to go and lay the smack down, take a little break from time to time, and go hang out with them. Not for very long, so back to work.
When it rains, it pours. Water's up to my chin. Won't stop fighting to the very end. Many men try to reach it. Many men have fell. Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell. And I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They say no Hope you find me. I'll be back home soon. When the sunrise, when the sun.
What an absolutely cool project, and I couldn't think of any better clients than Bob and Joellen. They were truly inviting. They even said our kids are some of the best kids that they've ever had over. They truly thought our kids were amazing and said they're welcome back anytime, which, you know, from being a hard-nosed chainsaw carver, rough and tough guy, that's pretty cool to hear that your kids are good kids. So it makes me a happy dad. And my beautiful wife got to spend some really cool time with the kids, on and off of helping me. So with the kids here, checking out the koi fish, feeding the fish, and hanging out at this beautiful estate right outside of Chicago, Illinois. And these unbelievably amazing koi fish. These koi fish have quite the life. They actually get put into a storage place that takes care of them during the winter. So we learned a lot of stuff that we didn't know at this job.
And that's the way why they jump out of the water. And we feed them from over that way, and then they just kind of, you know, it's amazing what they do for watermelon.
Yep.
Come on, come on. Yeah. Only throw tiny bits at a time. Because I want to see them fight. Fight to the death.
They do that, but come on, there's some over here too. They love. There you go, guys. Hey, over there. I fish. I smell filming.
I did too.
It'll be a little cold.
It's cold.
Oh yeah, that water would be cold.
And the watermelon's cold.
They also ended up falling in love with this Cubs bear, so it stayed there on their little porch. And once again, huge shout out to Kramer Tree Service, located out of Chicago, Illinois, and what they did in removing this tree. For one, this is a massive old oak tree that they used a crane to pull all the limbs over the house and didn't touch the house at all. So, and then put this back on there for us. So they lifted that huge stump, to the ground and then reset this for us to put it back in place. And I wasn't even in Chicago when they set this, and they actually fastened it back to the stump for us. So huge shout out to Kramer Tree Service. If you made it this far, make sure you smash that like and subscribe. I know everybody says that, but it really means the world. We'd love to start making some profitable income to where we could do even cooler projects and some really cool charity work that we'd like to do in the future if we start making money off of our YouTube and other revenue streams like that.